That's cool out there.
Look at that.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's cool. The cliffs and the rocks. That is so cool. This right here, look at that. It's like it's running right out to the ocean around that rock. That is so cool. Gosh, and it actually looks like it's moving out to the ocean too. Wow. Whoa. That's sure enough what it looks like. Look at that water, Hunter. Look at the water, Hunter. Yeah, it's not worth drinking, buddy. Wow, that's cool. Look at that, running right out into the waves. That's so cool. Gosh, that's so cool. Look at that. Look at that. Now let's turn back and look at, you can see the sand on the other side. Look at that. That is so cool. Wow. Just eroding the sand away. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Well, wouldn't that be a nice view up there? And or up there. Holy cow. That is so cool. That's cool. Huh. Neat. That's neat. What? It's like something laid on it. Huh. Wow. Wow. Cool. Look at this. And then when you get up there, it looks like somebody doctored it with concrete. Wow. Water not worth drinking, is it, my hunter? Not worth drinking, is it, my hunter? I gotta do a circle, hold on. Right back into the sun. So cool. Look at those trees. Huh. Like little habitats. Look at that one growing around the rock. That's cool. Oh, they cleared it off so they have a path to get back up there. Oh, that's a path back up. You want to go up? Okay, I'll let you get closer.